Lil Honk. Whoa, 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 whoa. So I've been hearing about a clown named Cummy. He's got no flow and he's got a big tummy. I'm here for the feud and the pretty little ladies. Get to step in if you tryna have my babies. Lil Cummy. Motherfucking bitch, cocksucker in denial. I'll hunk your mom's ass cheeks while reading a Bible. I'm sacrilegious, it's unreal, but for real, I'ma film us fucking on an old school movie reel while I'll let your dad watch him now being a cock. And now how does it feel knowing your mom is sex with the greasy fat fuck? How do I come back from that? Maybe I'll fuck your mom in a knapsack while she licks my nutsack. I know I just rhymed stack with stack, but now I'm fucking your dad while he's bareback. Bring out the whips and chains, might put y'all through a little more pain. I'll make it rain on 'em. Was that really it? Wow. Man, I'm glad you noticed that you rhyme stack with stack. That dumbest bullshit almost gave me a heart attack. I didn't know anyone could be dumber than me. I'm Lil Cummy. I feel sorry for your future kids. I think you shouldn't breed. Plus, my parents are dead, you dumbass. You be fucking ashes. Well, then again, this is you we're talking about. I wouldn't put you past it.